Hello, beautiful people. How are you? I hope you are well and I hope you will be fine. So, viewers, welcome back to my channel Muscle 2.0. So, my friends, I hope you are enjoying today's video and I am sure you will like this video. If you like this video, so please must subscribe to my channel and press on the bell icon so that you can get updates on daily basis. Viewers, watch the video till the end because today's video is most beautiful and impressive pictures of bodybuilders, fitness models, muscle models and male model. I create the best video world handsome and professional beautiful bodybuilders. My channel has one simple goal to motivate you, to give you that little push you need to go after your dreams. Friends, have you ever grunted when picking up a gallon of milk or lost your breath walking up a flight of stairs? There is a new exercise trend emerging to help people feel strong and confident as they go about their day. And it's called functional fitness. So what is functional fitness? Friends, functional fitness exercises train your muscles to work together and prepare them for daily tasks by simulating common movements you might do at home, at work, or in sports. Most functional fitness exercises combine muscle groups in low impact strength training routines to slowly and safely achieve results. Functional fitness exercises can be done at home, but it is a good idea to try some sessions with a trainer to ensure that each move is completed correctly to prevent injuries. A trainer can also help you pinpoint problem areas and target specific muscle groups safely and effectively. As with any new regimen, be sure to consult with your doctor before incorporating functional fitness into your workout routine, especially if you have existing health concerns, injuries, or are pregnant. Friends, what is functional fitness? Various traditional weight training focuses on one muscle at a time. Functional fitness elements typically involve groups of muscles working together, just like they do in everyday life. Several common exercises including push-ups, pull-ups and dumbbell squats strengthen several muscle groups while making it easier to complete daily activities like getting up off the floor and lifting heavy boxes. So watchers, even simple yoga poses can be integrated into your workout routine as a part of functional fitness. One of my favorite positions is the downward facing dog. It stretches the pelvis while strengthening the core and elongating the shoulders and back. I will often take advantage of 5 free minutes to perform this move. Friends, it also strengthens the hands and wrists, which helps with daily tasks like opening jars, carrying bags, and typing on a keyboard. To begin this pose, start on your hands and knees with your weight distributed equally. Use your hands and feet for balance as you lift your knees and elbows. Carefully strengthen your legs until you feel a stretch in your hips and pelvis. Press into the floor with your hands as you lift your pelvis towards the ceiling. Hold for a few breaths to conclude. Exhale and bend your knees and elbows slowly back down to the floor. Friends, consult with a trainer or exercise expert to develop a functional fitness routine that will work best for you. Benefits of functional fitness. The benefits of functional fitness are many. This workout approach is associated with everything from reduced joint pain to better balance to increased endurance. Functional fitness can also improve posture and flexibility. Perhaps the greatest benefits of all is the confidence. Functional fitness is designed to empower you to feel and perform your best, whether that means keeping up with your kids or staying strong while training for a marathon. Your quality of life will noticeably improve if you are committed to your program. So friends, I hope you are enjoying today's video and I am sure you will like this video. If you like this video, so please must subscribe to my channel and press on the bell icon so that you can get updates on daily basis. Is functional fitness right for you? The great thing about functional fitness is that it is completely customizable to each individual. The best way to create an individual plan is by booking a session with a qualified trainer who can accommodate your strength, weakness, and goals in a well-rounded routine. Friends, online videos, books, and apps can provide further guidance in developing a personalized program. Friends, fitness motivation course to break out of your comfort zone. Going to the gym often remains on the to-do list for some of us. Workout motivation can seem out of reach. Of course, everyone wants to have a healthy lifestyle and be in shape. But how can we keep up in this fast-paced world? A full-time job, a family that needs our attention, other duties that we can't say no to, and so on. In the evening, we often find ourselves sitting on the couch planning our next day, no exercising on the list whatsoever, while having a late snack because we were so busy we did not find the time to eat. Then comes the guilt. Sadly, we start cutting off things that we should actually do for ourselves, and this always leads to negative to negative outcomes. But how can we perform at our best if our bodies start to fail us? Whether you are trying to lose weight, stay fit, or just clear your mind after a busy day at work, fitness should become an important part of your life. Words are powerful, so a few workout motivation course might be the something you need to make it a priority. And don't be disappointed for not getting the results you want super fast. When it comes to getting in shape, consistency is the key. You must stick to your workout routine even if you really don't feel like it. Friends, for more motivation you can always come back and watch my other videos, the workout course, and watching amazing videos like this. The workout course will be prepared for you. Better yet, choose your favorite one, create a text image and use it as a wallpaper on your phone. Just a small trick to keep you going. Here are fitness motivation course to help push yourself out of your comfort zone. Motivation is what gets you started. Habit is what keeps you going. Enjoy the glow of good health, you must exercise. Fitness is not about being better than someone else, it's about being better than you are used to be. Take care of your body, it's the only place you have to live. Exercise is king, nutrition is queen. Put them together and you will got a kingdom. I hate every minute of training, but I said don't quit. Suffer now and live the rest of your life as a champion. The pain you feel today will be the strength you feel tomorrow. Do today what others want, so tomorrow you can do what others can't. Do something today, but your future self will thank you for. Friends, physical fitness is not only one of the most important keys to a healthy body, it is the basis of dynamic and creative intellectual activity. If it does not challenge you, it won't change you. Train hard, turn up, run your best, and the rest will take care of itself. Don't limit your challenges, challenge your limits. Unless you poke, faint, or die, keep going. If you ever lack the motivation to train, then think what happens to your mind and body when you don't. Exercise is done against one's wishes and maintained only because the alternative involves. Friends, age is no barrier, it's a limitation you put on your mind. We must train hard. It's not about dining. A weakness may exist, but about dining its right to persist. You can have results or excuses, but not both. Remember this, your body is your slave, it works for you. So friends, I hope you are enjoying today's video and I am sure you will like this video. If you like this video, so please must subscribe to my channel and press on the bell icon so that you can get updates on daily basis. Friends, this is ideas video for you. If you don't have any idea about this video, so you can easily get idea from this video. If you are looking for the secret to enhancing your fitness motivation, then this take on the topic may just rock your world. After all, we tell you all of the motivation tricks out there, perhaps even from fitness motivation I will tell you on this topic in the past and still made to no real consistent movement towards healthy activity. In fact, you will probably experienced what I call motivation stagnation. You know all about external motivation in which rewards, guilt, concern, health directives, and doctors' orders are all push you exercise because you have to. You know how long that lasts, right? Perhaps a few days, weeks, on possibly even a few months, right? You train yourself, discipline your willpower, and whoosh, it's gone like last year's New Year's resolution. So friends, you know all about intrinsic motivation, in which the sheer enjoyment of the process of exercise keeps you going and going almost on autopilot, loving everything from buying the clothing and picking your gym bag to the fun you feel with your friends at the gym, sweating if I get out with you. You find the workout routines interesting, stimulating, and challenging. So friends, watch the video till the end because today's video is most beautiful and amazing bodybuilder pictures for you. Increased video quality will make it easier for you to watch, and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. So friends, take care of it with some new collection in the next video. I hope you are enjoying today's video, so please must subscribe to my channel Muscle 2.0 for more motivation and bodybuilders related videos like this. Take care friends of it with some new collection in the next video. Remembering the prayers. Thanks for watching viewers.